I like my beverages chilled, and Buzio so they can keep it chilled a lot longer. Now let's check it out. Now let's check out what's in the box. I see we have a features, cleaning and using the tumbler, and lifetime warranty card. Here we have the clear flip lid. Two thick plastic straws and cleaning brush. Now we have the cup itself. The straw lid is already attached. It screws on and off, and it has a rubber seal, same as the flip top. Also, it made from BPA free, and also it has this nice handy carry along strap. The cup itself is dual walled insulated with a special thermal armor to keep your drinks cold up to 9 hours and your hot drinks up to 3 hours. Also, it's made from food grade stainless steel. On the outside, it has a black, tough, durable powder coating and the Buzio design and logo. Also, it is flared, make it easy for you to grip, not to drop it. I like this cup a lot. If it's anything like the thermal bottle that thermal jug that I have, that it holds half a gallon. If it's anything like that, it will keep your drink cold almost up to 2 days. I like it a lot. I can use it for my long editing, gaming, whatever sessions. Put my drink in, it'll be cold to the last. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.